That's cool.
This is
Awesome.
This is
That's what this is.
nothing but a bash video. Run this thing up here and see how far you can go. Yeah. Do it again. Oh, the bowl. I don't know how we're going to get it out of the bowl, but you know, we'll get this one filmed. Can you put it down? Oh. Somebody's walking. Oh man. Oh. I'm ready. He's coming. Oh, I couldn't get it. Try again. Oh yeah! Woohoo! Okay, Chief, now it's your turn. Oh yeah! Woohoo! Go back up.
Just stops dead.
Oh yeah, send it. Do the big stairs. Here we go. That is so great. Pretty cool, man. Yeah.
This thing is rad.
It's in first gear too.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Should we bump it up?
Yeah. Let me switch it. Okay, we're gonna try second gear. I don't know how this is gonna work, but
Let's do it.
It's Dana approved mod. A bit quicker.
It is.
Okay, well, we now have second gear, so that was, if you saw the last video, there's just an elastic I'm using that actually was holding it in first, so changing it to second was easy. But we might be able to climb that hill now. Let's try it. Holy moly! Oh yeah, it's way faster now. That's insane. That's all we needed was just that little extra kick. All right, man. Now let's try sending it. Woo! Holy moly, did it ever go?
Again.
Oh, that was hilarious.
Alright, I'll try this side here. More traction.
Hey! Oh, and he rolls. Oh, goes for the gas. You got it. Oh, he flipped it again. You can get out of that.
Here we go.
I'm ready. Woo! Oh, that's way better. I like second gear. Way better. I gotta put a servo on that now. That's a great idea. Oh yeah, that thing really honks. Oh, just sent it. And at least there's no dirt. Like, snow is fun for at least that. The cleanup is a total zero. That thing is hilarious. Oh my goodness. Yeehaw! Woo!
Here we go.
Ripper. Oh, almost lost it.
So tell me what you did to this. What's involved here?
Okay, so I put the GCM wheel hexes on it because that let me space the tires out. And then we have Axial SMT10 rims, actually from Axial, and the J Concepts Ranger tires. And after that, I just used a Reedy Power 5-slot motor, a Helios 2000 milliamp 3-cell battery.
Okay.
That's it, man.
That's it.
It's all stock.
This is a nice addition. Is it really a new brake body?
No. That was the whole point.
RC comedy, right?
Yeah,
there.
we all know that there's no new brake that does anything good anymore.
Like this, yeah.
They did in like 2007, but those days are long
So
gone.
where did you get a new bright sticker then?
Oh, Chad made that from True North RC.
Of course.
That was the whole point, right? A couple stickers. The lights are good. I love the lights. It's a really detailed body, honestly, but
yeah, it's nice.
It's a lot of fun now because I really didn't know what to do with it. As a regular SCX3, it kind of seemed like it didn't have a purpose for me.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, everyone needs a monster truck too, right? Right?
Everyone
needs a monster truck.
Everyone.
You bet. Here we go.
That thing's hilarious. Oh my goodness, it's so much fun. Just sent it. Yeah! Did it that time. Here we go. Yeah! Your dog is just so excited.
That's the one.
That's better. Well, what have we here?
Yeah! Yeah!
Oh, we're nuts.
Oh yeah! This thing rocks.
That is a really cool.
Awesome.
It's way more fun than I thought it was going to be, actually.
Yeah, like the bouncy tires, the whole bit. It's just a hoot. And of course, we're in a special spot. We're in a skate park, just snow-covered skate park. I mean, what a perfect environment for a bunch of monster truck tires, monster truck.
Sweet.
Second gear. Here we go.
Yeah. That's actually kind of perfect. It's just about the right speed and everything now.
You bet.
Wow.
Like, if you didn't get this under your Christmas tree, now's the time for sure.
Yeah, I love it. Monster Jeep. Oh yeah, I'm pretty excited. Hey, so thanks for watching, and we're having just a great time over here. We hope you guys are starting off your 21 with some fun RC stuff.
You bet.
We'll see you soon.
Take care.